our lecture. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent, countless salutation on Nabi Muhammad Pak Sallallahu Alaihi wa alihi Wasallam. So last time we were discussing about computational drug designing and conventional drug designing, virtual screening, and how there is some hurdles in conventional drug designing, not hurdles, or you can say extensive procedure, and how we have benefits by computational drug designing. However, we have some limitations in computational drug designing. So every approach has their own pros and cons, so everyone has to keep in mind those pros and cons for their regarding their experiments, and should be very careful for during performing the experiments. So we were discussing about the quick guideline for computational drug design that was published in 2018, and we were reading about the foreword of that book. So yesterday we have a very good student, I don't remember the name, she was reading it very effectively. Anyone else want to read or voluntarily, please raise your hand so we will complete it and move forward. Anyone? Okay, thank you so much. No one want to read? Okay, Kashif Salim. Thanks, Kashif. Tehmina Latif. Okay, half. Okay, Kashif, I think step back. जी बेटा, thank you so much. वालेकुम सलाम जी बेटा, पढ़ें
सर कहाँ से शुरू करना है? far too many diseases?
जी मेरे ख्याल यहीं तक पढ़ा था हमने कल.
Yes sir. Far too many diseases do not have proven preventions or treatments to make a difference for the millions of Americans who suffer from these diseases. We must gain better insights into the biological, environmental, and behavioral factors that derive these diseases. Precision medicine in an emerging approach for behavioral
is an emerging
factors.
approach for diseases.
Um,
Precision medicine
एक
is
is
an
an
emerging.
emerging approach for disease. जी, is an emerging approach for disease treatment and prevention that takes into account individual variability in environment, lifestyle, and genes for each person. On January 20, 2015, President Obama announced the Precision Medicine Initiative (PMI).
थैंक यू
This
बेटा,
era belongs
थैंक
to
यू. बाकियों को भी बेटा
personalized.
चांस देते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच तहमीना.
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, sir.
काशिफ सलीम.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
वालेकुम सलाम.
क्या हाल सर?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
सर यहीं से स्टार्ट करना दायरा से.
जी बेटा.
This era belongs to personalized medicine or precision medicine, which collectively integrates all the bioinformatics methods and analysis techniques, including DNA sequences, family history, medical history, and environment to design individual specific medicine that will surely revolutionize lifestyle, lifespan, and thus medical science to its new heights.
New heights, yes. जी. Kashif, okay, I don't know where he is. Anyhow, Safa Mushtaq. जी बेटा.
As bioinformatics methods and techniques are now considered as basic requirement for most of biological experiments, this book will help researchers to have an idea of how to initialize, design, and add new layer of knowledge. This book does not cover all, but most of the major domains and utilize most cited and most used tools and techniques. The material of book has been designed for novices to take them up to pro level in bioinformatics. Many small tricks have also been discussed that would help researchers to easily understand theory, perform experiment, and analyze results. As a matter of fact, it is believed that this book must be part of every laboratory that need bioinformatics analysis for their experiments.
Thank you, Beta. So that was in actual about the forward of this book. After that, we have preface that will. Okay. So now, who wants to read the preface? Please raise your hand. Who wants to read the preface? And now, then we will move forward. So these two portions of the book will give you the sketch, what is in the book, and how this book will summarize everything. Kashif Salim, once again.
The
Please.
discussion of the bulk amount of informational data in biological sciences is still an understatement.
Understatement,
The
yes.
bioinformatics studies are being practiced in all over the world by universities, scientific groups, international and national companies and consortia. And it
Consortia.
would not be consortia.
Good.
And it would not be underestimating if bioinformatics will be thought of a bedrock of future biological sciences. Bioinformatics evolved into complete interdisciplinary science to solve the biological problem by utilizing statistical, mathematical, and computational approaches. Furthermore, the recording, annotation, storage, analysis, and searching retrieval of biological information and representing this concluded information in order to understand variously pathways to
Various
educate
pathways.
our various pathways to educate ourselves to understand biological processes in disease and healthy states, and also find potential drugs are only some aspects of bioinformatics. The conjuring of new big data associated typically with enormous databases of protein, gene sequences, and functional structural information into which novel protein and gene sequences are constantly deposited can easily be searched by remote computer access with already known sequences.
Numerous. But are numerous
Numerous
bioinformatics.
numerous bioinformatics tools are freely available on internet to whoever wants to utilize them, and it is impossible to list them all. The ability to collect, save, annotate, analyze, and distribute the biological information retrieved from sequencing and functional analysis is significant for modern biology. This is
Good.
the reason behind the widespread belief that the long run significance of bioinformatic approach lies not much in the available tools but in the annotation of data and concluding logical information that bioinformatics deliver for the improvement of life sciences.
Thank you, Kashif.
Bioinformatics is
Thank you, Kashif. Thank you so much. जी बेटा, तहमीना, तहमीना Latif, please proceed.
जी sir. Bioinformatics is to solve the biological problems with advanced computational manners by applying statistical and mathematical approaches. Structural bioinformatics is to predict and analyze 3D structures of macromolecules while computer-aided drug designing CADD helps scientists to design effective active molecules against diseases. However, the concept of structural bioinformatics, including CADD, is still hard to grasp for students and even more for educated laymen.
Layman.
As a beginner, layman. As a beginner, I fall into the first category with regards to this subject.
नाउ बेटा,
Indeed, I
आपने भी
fall.
और बाकी स्टूडेंट्स ने भी, ये बच्चा पढ़ रहा है, ये बड़ा आसान सा पैराग्राफ है, इसको समझने की कोशिश करनी है, ठीक है? इससे आपके माइंड में वो कंसेप्ट बन जाएगा कि ये बुक किस डायरेक्शन में जा रही है. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नाउ.
Yes, sir.
जी बेटा.
I fall into the first category with regards to this subject. Indeed, I first learn all these guidelines and tools for myself in order to learn new emerging trends and approach my work with greater awareness about computational skills in biological problems. I felt that I need better insight into the CADD to achieve and improve the drug designing to reduce the time phase and resources. When I consulted the lecture on this
Literature.
topic, I found I consulted the literature. Sorry, sir. I consulted the literature on this topic. I found that although there are many papers and books on the subject, the exact step-by-step working of basic tools and thorough
थॉरो
analysis
एनालिसिस,
of
थॉरो
generated
बेटा,
results.
इट्स थॉरो कंप्लीटली
Thorough,
जिसको कहते हैं.
okay, sir. And thorough analysis of generated results that I was looking for were scattered throughout them. I then began taking notes, and when I was finally satisfied, I discussed this with my colleague and a good friend, Rana Adnan Tahir. We realized after organizing the data in a suitable presentation that it was potentially interesting for students and new learners to have visually detailed step-by-step working of tools and identify a lead compound. We believe that the understanding capability, no, we believe that a better understanding of these concepts requires a more satisfactory verbal explanation that is visually provided, since in our opinion a visual step-by-step approach is the one closer to the understanding capability of non-experts and even for our own students. This is why this book is focused on providing a visual account and step-by-step guideline to identify a lead compound, to
लीड
identify a lead to identify a lead compound by computational means. In this sense, we deem that besides the verbal working of tool, a visual step-by-step explanation can be very useful regarding designing of the compounds for the people who do not have a full understanding of it yet. Thus, we eventually came up with the present work targeted to students and non-experts who are specifically interested in this domain and have a basic knowledge of structural bioinformatics.
Thank you, beta. Thank you so much, Tehmina. So we have Maria, Maria, Maria Gul maybe. Her hand was up. Maria Gul. Anyone? Okay, Aisha Makbul. जी बेटा.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
वालेकुम सलाम. Please.
With this book, we attempt to show the step-by-step working of basic tools for drug designing. Variant analysis of generated result in always a priority. The protein sequence of RASF2 was retrieved from
Retrieved.
UniProt and
That's the protein
retrieved
sequence of
from
RASF2 was retrieved
UniProt
from the
and
start.
primary
बेटा, the
sequence
protein
analysis.
sequence यहाँ से पढ़े ना. जब हो सेंटेंस जहाँ से शुरू होता है वहां से पढ़ते हैं. The protein
ठीक है.
sequence of RASF2 was retrieved from UniProt. Please.
The protein sequence of RAS-F2 was retrieved from UniProt
Good.
and primary sequence analysis. Secondary structure prediction and 3D structure prediction was performed, followed by molecular docking studies. The basic information about bioinformatics and utilized tool is summarized in the first chapter. The book
Utilized
is
tool
summarized
is summarized.
summarized in the first chapter. The book is summarized just as we wish we had been taught the core concept and the working when we were first introduced to it. Therefore, we hope that it can be helpful as a guideline for drug designing by in silico approach.
Approaches.
The main text of the approaches. The main text of the present work aim to demonstrate the
Aim to.
step-by-step
बेटा आप
visual
ऐसे नहीं पढ़ते.
demonstration.
The main text of the present work aims to demonstrate.
The main text of the present work aims to demonstrate
Good.
the step-by-step visual demonstrations of the basic tools of structural bioinformatics and also is focused on the scientific point of view. If a beginner retrieves a protein
Retrieved.
sequence and retrieves a protein sequence and performed all the steps described visual in this book will not only learn the computational drug designing but also can generate a data.
Publishable data. Thank you so
Publishable
much,
data.
Aisha Makbool. So everyone, it is my humble request to read minimum 1 hour daily, so you can improve your reading. And I really appreciate Kashif, Aisha, Tehmina, and one more student I forgot maybe. So who just came here and just read it very efficiently. I really appreciate everyone. And everyone, please try to read and improve your reading. With this book, we attempt to show the step-by-step working of basic tools for drug designing, wherein analysis of generated results is always a priority. The protein sequence of RASF2 was retrieved from UniProt, and primary sequence analysis, secondary structure prediction, and three-dimensional structure prediction was performed, followed by molecular docking studies. The basic information about bioinformatics and utilized tools is summarized in the first chapter. The book is summarized just as we wish we had been taught the core concepts and the working when we were first introduced to it. Therefore, we hope that it can be helpful as a guideline for drug designing by in silico approaches. The main text of the present work aims to demonstrate the step-by-step visual demonstration of the basic tools of structural bioinformatics, and also is focused on the scientific point of views. If a beginner retrieves a protein sequence and performed all the steps described visually in this book, will not only learn the computational drug designing but also can generate a publishable data. So if you will just follow this book completely and perform all the steps, you can generate a publishable data, and you can also learn computational drug designing very easily. जी बेटा सफा मुश्ताक.
सर लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं आप?
जी बेटा, थैंक यू. काशिफ सलीम जी बेटे.
सर जो भी टूल्स इस बुक में मतलब हमको पढ़ाए जाएंगे वो मतलब जो रीसेंट टूल्स हैं वो हैं या मे भी उनमें से कुछ चेंज हो जाए?
नहीं, ये तकरीबन सारे टूल्स इस वक्त चल रहे हैं और बड़े अच्छे तरह चल रहे हैं. ये सिर्फ 2 साल पुरानी है, ज्यादा पुरानी नहीं है. कुछ टूल्स अपडेट हुए हैं उनके रिजल्ट्स, लेकिन उनके जो एल्गोरिथम्स हैं वो अपडेट नहीं हुए, उनके विजुअली रिजल्ट्स अपडेट हुए हैं. ठीक है,
थैंक यू सर.
जी सफा बेटा, आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हो? सफा मुश्ताक.
नहीं सर, गलती से हो गया, सॉरी.
ओके. So we have chapter number 1, and now please represent, or some students just tell me, so we have to start chapter number 1 today or we just have to start it on Monday with full energy. It's up on you. जी
सर
काशिफ.
आई थिंक हमें सर मंडे स्टार्ट कर लेना चाहिए.
Monday? Okay.
सर कुछ पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं नहीं.
Okay, thank you काशिफ. जी तहमीना.
यस सर, मैं भी ये कह रही थी कि मंडे से अगर कर लेते हम स्टार्ट तो बेटर होता.
Okay, thank you so much beta. So if anyone has any question, please raise your hand and ask the question regarding the book, the previous lectures, or anything you want to discuss. We have 5 minutes for all this activity, and try to learn in your life. Daily read at least in a week, at least read one complete research article in 1 week. It's really very small amount of reading and understanding of science. However, at your level, at least you have to read minimum 3 to 4 articles in a week. And if you cannot do this, please read one article related to your domain or interest. The one is good research article. If anyone has any question, please raise your hand. Safa Mushtaq, please mark the attendance. So if you will Ji Kashif,
ये वो जो प्रोफाइल है गूगल पे,
बेटा आपका आवाज कट गई थी, सॉरी, दोबारा बताएंगे आप?
सर जो आपकी गूगल प्रोफाइल है वहाँ पे ये बुक अवेलेबल है सर, वहाँ से कर सकते हैं डाउनलोड।
You can try. You can try from there or any from any source. If you can get it, you can take it. No worries.
Thank you.
So everyone just try to work hard, just try to learn. If you are interested in computational drug designing, structural bioinformatics and proteomics, so you have to work hard in this domain that I am just representing you in this course. However, if you are interested in genomics and GWAS, genomics, QTL, and these type of studies, you can have a look to the lectures of Dr. Sidra Aslam. If you are interested in evolutionary genomics or how this evolution occurs, I just deliver a series of lecture, maybe 7 or 8 very interesting lectures of different genomes to the 8th semester. It is on the channel, you can have a look to there. If you have if you want to make your career in developmental side, you can go at that position. First just choose Ji Mahtab Ali beta.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम जी।
सर इसमें दो क्वेश्चन है, एक आपने बताया था सिलिको प्रोसेस के बारे में, सर बता दीजिए सिलिको प्रोसेस कौन सी होती है।
जी बेटा, और दूसरा सवाल?
और सर ये बता दें प्रो लेवल्स इन बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स के बारे में बता दें।
किसका बेटा? सेकंड क्या आपने कहा?
प्रो लेवल्स इन बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स, PRO।
अच्छा,
प्रो लेवल्स इन
लेवल।
बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स।
ओके ओके ओके। प्रो का क्या मतलब होता है आप बताएंगे मुझे? महताब अली, ओके, गायब हो गए भाई। एनी हाउ, इन सिलिको अप्रोचेज जो हैं वो जितना कंप्यूटेशनल वर्क आप करते हैं कंप्यूटर के ऊपर, उसको हम कहते हैं इन सिलिको अप्रोचेज। क्योंकि ये वर्ड सिलिकॉन से निकला है, कंप्यूटर्स जो थे वो सिलिकॉन के बने हुए थे, तो इन सिलिको से ये ग्रीक वर्ड है। ये मेरे ख्याल क्लास में डिस्कशन हुई थी हमारी। जितना भी काम कंप्यूटेशनल पावर्स को यूज करके होता है, सॉफ्टवेयर्स और टूल्स और सर्वर्स के जरिए जो एनालिसिस किए जाते हैं, उनको कहा जाता है इन सिलिको एनालिसिस और इन सिलिको अप्रोचेज। हाउएवर प्रो लेवल ऑफ बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स ये जस्ट एक इंग्लिश की स्टेटमेंट है। जैसे प्री कहते हैं पहले वाले को, प्रो कहते हैं बाद वाले को। तो प्रो लेवल्स ऑफ बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स, बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स के वो लेवल्स जो के बाद में आएंगे, इसका ये मतलब है। एनीवन हैज एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? काशिफ जी बेटा।
सर वो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स कह रहे हैं कि सर उन्होंने मतलब इंग्लिश लेक्चर्स लेने में थोड़ा सा इशू होता है सर, कह रहे हैं कि आप काइंडली कोई उर्दू में लेक्चर दे दिए।
अच्छा, उर्दू में लेक्चर दे दिया करें। चलें जी, उर्दू में लेक्चर दे दिया करेंगे। इंग्लिश में बेटा ये अगर आप लोगों की इंग्लिश अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़ जाएगी, बाहर को दूसरे मुल्कों में आपने जाना है, पाकिस्तान को रिप्रेजेंट करना है, तो आप कैसे सरवाइव करेंगे? आप माशाल्लाह एमएससी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं।
सर मुझे कोई इशू नहीं है सर, कुछ सर स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनको मतलब है इशू।
ठीक हो गया सर, हम हाजिर हैं जनाब, उर्दू में लेक्चर दे देंगे जी। तहमीना बेटा। जी बेटा।
यही सर, मैं यही कहना चाह रही थी कि इंग्लिश में लेक्चर ज्यादा बेटर है आई थिंक।
बेटा दोनों मीडियम
कुछ
में दे दिया
अंडरस्टैंडिंग
करेंगे,
स्किल।
पहले अंग्रेजी
जी
बोल
सर,
दिया
दोनों
करेंगे
ये ना।
फिर उर्दू।
जी सर, थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you. Anyone else has any question or suggestion, please? If anyone has any question or suggestion, please. Okay. So I was discussing with you guys that if you want to make your career in research, you have to work very hard. Now Pakistani scientific community alhamdulillah increased a lot and working very hard, everyone in Pakistan. that is just connected with this scientific community, no matter it's plant biotechnology, molecular, microphysics, chemistry, botany, zoology. So everyone is struggling very hard. If you want to make your career in research, you have to work very hard. You have to choose your specific domain, in which domain you want to make your career, or you want to struggle: computational drug designing, structural proteomics, functional proteomics, develop functional bioinformatics, structural bioinformatics, developmental bioinformatics. So you have to first choose, and then you have to read about that and struggle in that specific domain. So please work very hard for yourself and your country and your family. Thank you so much. If anyone has any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, we will conclude this session. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. And we will start from chapter number 1, inshallah, in our next lecture. Thank you so much.